This is how to change the time and date on your Ford Fiesta. This is a 2014 model, but as long as you've got this dash set up, it should all work. We're going to just use the menu and the OK and the arrows. That's all there is to it. So switch it on, wait for it to do its thing, press menu, and you're into the settings. Try and get it all in one frame. There we go. So audio, down to vehicle settings, clock settings. There we go. Press OK. Let it do its thing. Set time, OK. So to put an hour on, press it up. To take an hour off, press it down. To go across to the minutes, you press the right. Same again, up and down. Press OK. And then to the time, for the date, sorry, press down, press OK. And then again, up and down for days on, days off, months on, years on. Press OK. And then if you just switch the unit off, your settings are saved. Everything's set, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.